So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use multiple ifs to have different outcomes, but I'm also going to show you how you can have multiple Boolean operators, okay? And how you can combine them together to have multiple items. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to, again, get the age of the person. So I'm going to output what is your age? So I've asked them what their age is. Again, I'm going to say age is assigned user input. I need to convert that again from string to int age, but this time I'm going to also ask them another question. Okay, we're going to say horror. All right. In fact, let's output. Are you watching a horror? Okay, so we're going to ask them if they're watching a horror movie, and all we need to do is say horror is assigned user input. Now, because this is a string, I don't need to cast this time. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do different if statements. Now, what I'm going to say is if age, so remember we're writing in pseudocode here, all right? Age is greater than or equal to 18, and so that we're going to do multiple conditions this time, and horror equals y, then output you may enter. This time we're going to say else if age is greater than or equal to 18 and horror equals n, then output you can enter. It doesn't matter, because we're saying it doesn't even matter about their age because they're not watching a horror movie anyway. Now what's happening here before I finish this is we're saying and. Now you can replace that, you can change that, you can have this is true and this is true. This is true and this is true. Alright. Now what we might do is we might even do another condition that says else if age is lower than 18 and horror equals y, then output you need an adult. So that's saying you're less than 18 and you've tried to say yes to a horror. You can't come in. And then all you need to do there is end if, and that's your conditions made. Now it might be that you have two conditions that you have, in which case you could change this, you could interchange this with an or if you wanted. And what that allows you to do is check if one or the other conditions have been met. So you can actually combine multiple expressions if you wanted to just double check. So that is lesson 3 on how you can do selection with multiple conditions that are made.